Hello and welcome back to my channel. So thank you for participating in the giveaway, my first ever giveaway of Born Pretty nail polishes. So today I'm gonna use YouTube random comment picker. So make sure you like and subscribe my channel because I will have a lot more giveaways coming up soon. I would like to do more giveaways, and I have been pretty busy, so I'm trying to get more videos out as well. I'm trying my best, but I do want to give out these nail polishes that I have swatched 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to use this random YouTube comment picker. I've never used this before. Let's see. How this works. So I'm going to paste my video URL in here. And I'm going to be contacting the winner. So here's the winner, Nicole Last. So I'm going to be contacting Nicole and wait until I reach out to you. I will send you a message. So in the event that I couldn't send this to Nicole, I am going to do a second one as a backup. And that would be Stephen Chow. And just one more, Asia Moore. So in the event I cannot reach Nicole, Steven, then I'll reach out to Asia. So that's it for the first giveaway. I will be hosting more giveaways soon, so stay tuned. And I'm like I said, I've been trying to work on more videos as well. So please like and comment and let me know how you enjoyed this giveaway. Thank you and see you soon.